So we need to go from this, whatever is savable. These logs have been here 2 years. To over here on this, which isn't completely built yet, which is what I'm going to do today, and I'll show you that. And in this pile is the rest of the sawmill. And take it to this. With no experience with the sawmill, no experience really building the house. Obviously, if you've been following long enough, my carpentry skills are not that of a perfectionist, that's for sure. That's why at the house, I don't do any work inside. Outside, that's mine. Inside, that's a contractor, because I want it to be right. I want this to be right. So here I am, 54. And up there on the hill is where we're going to build a cabin. I understand all this wood may still need to dry some more. But first, I got to get some of it over there so I can figure out how to use it. Like I said, that actually up in the garage is a trailer that goes underneath that, which is going to help me tremendously getting the entire thing level. It's sitting on some runners right now. They're pretty close, but I can't get the blade right. And I think it's because of where I'm at. If I touch the thing, it seems to teeter a little bit, and then I lose measurements, and it's staying off just a little bit. So I want to get that squared away. So we bought the trailer, and so that's the go. We're going to go from the stack of white oak logs to the sawmill to the top of the hill and build us a cabin, a dry cabin.